Brake pad replacement. Do you compromise your safety? Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be updated. Do you want to revive dead batteries? Check the link below. Modern life can be very busy and hectic. We find ourselves having to do so much with so little time to do it in. We take on so many tasks, work and errands, which is why we tend to leave things until the last minute or delay certain tasks. Do you delay replacing certain car parts when the time comes to do so? By doing this, are you compromising your safety? There are certain tasks that simply cannot be delayed, while others can wait. When it comes to changing certain parts on your car, there are some that can wait. Don't wait too long, though. If one of the tail lights is broken, you will need to fix it. You don't have to fix it right away, especially if the other one is still working. So you can still drive to a mechanic to get it fixed. However, you don't want to wait too long, because if a traffic officer pulls you over, you will be fined for having a broken tail light. Another example would be whether you have dented or bumped one of the side doors. A dent in the door won't really affect the functionality of the door and won't have an effect on your driving ability. It would only be aesthetically displeasing. Such damage could wait until you have the funds to fix it, and you won't be fined for it either, unless it affects the safety of yourself and others. Another occasion when you cannot delay repairs is when one of your tires burst or has a puncture. Tire damage must be fixed right away. It has to be repaired or replaced as soon as you notice that there is any damage. Having a damaged wheel can lead to a serious accident. You also cannot play games when it comes to your car's brakes. If the brakes on your car are faulty or damaged, you must get it checked as soon as possible. Because when you drive and the brakes fail, you could bump into another car or a pedestrian. This could have catastrophic consequences for you and the other party involved. A brake pad replacement could be a simple solution if your brakes are faulty. Make sure to take the advice of the mechanic once he has examined your car's brakes and fixed the problem right away. Don't compromise your safety, no matter how busy you are in life.